This tutorial will show you how to complete your Danielson Student Teaching Field Experience Binder in TK20 for both the first and second halves of the semester. To open your binder, click on the Field Experience tab on the left side panel. From here, click on your Danielson Student Teaching Binder for the first half. You'll see a number of tabs across the front of the screen. On the first tab, you will see instructions which indicate which tabs you will need to complete. You'll see the FLO Candidate Impact, Unit Plan, Lesson Plan tabs, the Self-Evaluation, Domain for Evidence, and the Candidate Signature page. To complete an assignment, click on the tab. For example, for the Self-Evaluation, click on the Self-Evaluation tab. Anytime you open an assignment, you will see instructions on the left side of the screen. To begin that assignment, click on the Select button on the right, then scroll down. For the self-evaluation, you will need to complete the rubrics for each of the domains 1 through 4. To complete a rubric, click on the radio button next to the appropriate rating. At the bottom of each domain, you will see there is a space for comments. Enter your comments here. Make sure to complete all required fields. Required fields are marked with an asterisk. When you're finished with any assignment, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Add. It's always a good idea to save your work. To do so, go to the front of the binder and click Save. Be sure that you complete all the required assignments in the binder. Once you've completed all of the assignments, you'll want to view your university supervisor and mentor teacher's feedback. Then, click on the links to view either their Danielson Framework rubric or SLO process score, if applicable, as well as the mentor teacher's Danielson Framework rubric. Once you've reviewed your assessor's feedback, click on the candidate signature page. Then click on the Select button. Make sure that you complete this page by entering your name and the date completed. The candidate signature page is used for your PDE 430. When you have finished working in your Danielson Student Teaching Binder, click Submit. From here, you will need to select all of the assignments which you wish to submit. Then, click Submit once more. The second half of student teaching looks very similar. Again, click on the Field Experience tab on the left side of the screen, then select your binder from the list. Across the top of the screen, you'll see the self-evaluation domain for evidence as well as the candidate signature page. You will also see that you can complete the SLO candidate impact if applicable, or the unit plan and lesson plans if applicable. Refer to the front page of the binder to see when you need to complete these items. Just like during the first half, you'll click on each of the tabs and complete the required assignment by clicking Select. Remember to always save your work. Once you are fully finished completing the binder, then click Submit and check off the items which you wish to submit. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at tk20@wcupa.edu or call us at 610-436-2085.